Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making some bird cages using Americana acrylics and basswood rounds from Walnut Hollow. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some bird cages. I use 16 gauge wire for this project and Walnut Hollow basswood rounds. Make sure to check out walnuthollow.com. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts and I will see you next week. Bye.